I'm going to show you in Windows 10 how to remove your admin privileges and change you to a standard user. So if we go down here and click User Accounts, click on User Accounts, then click on Manage Another Account. Now, what I'm assuming is that you are currently an administrator. If you are not an administrator, then you don't need to change it. In order to remove your admin rights, we need to create another user first, give them admin rights, and then remove your rights. So that's the first thing we want to do. So we want to add a new user. Click on Add Someone Else to this PC. Now it's up to you, but you can set up your Windows Microsoft integration. I don't recommend you do that, but that's entirely up to you. So here I'm going to click on this one. And because I don't want the integration, I'm going to click on Add a User Without Microsoft Account. And here I need to enter my username. I'm going to enter Bob or Bobo. I'm not going to call this admin or administrator account, because if you do that, it can give away information as to the account being an administrator and can help a hacker. It doesn't really make much difference, but it's sometimes better just to call it something other than admin. So then click Next. Now we need to make this new account an administrator. So if we return back to here, actually we'll see that Bob isn't there, but if we click refresh, he should appear, but he's not. So let's go to User Accounts and Manage Another Account, and there we do see Bob. If we click on Bob and we click on Change the Account Type, Change to Administrator, Change Account Type, Manage Another Account, then we can see that Bob is now an administrator. We now need to remove privileges from our own account. So we click on our own account, change the account type, change to standard, change account type, manage another account. This is now a standard user or local account as it's called. And Bob is an administrator, and we'll use Bob only for specific administrating tasks, and we'll use our regular account for everything else. I would also recommend you disable or delete any other accounts that you don't use, and remove admin privileges from all other accounts apart from the one special one that you use just for administrative tasks. If you know in advance that you need to run something as administrator, that's quite simple. You just right click on it and run as administrator, and then you'll be prompted for a username and password for the admin account, which you can put in. But obviously never run anything as an administrator that you don't trust.